for a while until an end is apparent. I've been pressing my lips to a smile, just try to grin and bear it. Because every time that they open up, you can see that I got a fury that I cannot control yet. I'm not sure how much longer I can just sit in silence. I wanna hear you getting loud. Capsize me with the sound. Why don't you open up your mouth? Come and shake me down to the ground. 'Cause sometimes it takes a rage and liver to make the dam come crashing down. I wanna hear you getting loud, loud, loud. Trading my voice for a hope that things would just change without me. But then every single time that I spoke, the words would just be, I'm sorry.